Hey guys, new week, new vlog. So hopefully I'll be good at vlogging this week. I think this will be 2 weeks merged into one video because I'm working quite a bit this week. So I don't think I'll be doing too much to show you guys, but I will insert some clips now, what I just did. I had to work today and then straight after work I went to film an audition with a friend. So fingers crossed for that. That's just what I did. Now I'm home. Now I'm gonna eat some dinner. It's still sunny because it's summer. It's the 4th of December, so it's officially summer now, and I'm hating how these bits are flicking out. That's what happens when I'm at work and then I put my hair behind my ear and then it just kind of like bends to the shape of my ear and it ends up flicking out like that. It's just at that awkward length. So yeah, my arm's getting sore from holding this phone and it's not even that heavy. But that just shows how weak I am. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the mess of the previous video. It was just like a bunch of days over a few weeks. It was a really busy time and a bit of a sad time at the same time. So yeah. Anyway, we're back and enjoy this video.
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after
Hey guys, so today is so echoey in here. It's the 9th of December and I'm heading out to the beach, if you couldn't tell. I've just got to fix the front bits of my hair. Oh, I know I'm running out of breath, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear these shorts or a different pair. I'm gonna try on these like Nike ones I've got, because I was really set on the Nike ones at first, but then I remembered I had these, so I don't know. I like fold them up to make them shorter because of how short I am. And I don't have a full length mirror, so it's hard for me to see. But yeah, it's officially summer and I haven't been to the beach like since I've been in Perth. We like visit the beach, but I've never actually gone into the water yet, so I'm excited to do that today because the water in Perth beaches is like so nice. The water is so clear, so I want to take advantage of that. Also, look at how like curly my like natural hair is today. Like, this is wild. I use the wave spray as I always do, but it's so like extra curly. But I am really happy about that. I mean, they both work, so whichever one I do will look fine, but I'm just like, which one looks better? I don't know. Okay, I just decided on this necklace. Can you imagine the tan line I'll get from this? If I even get tan? Yay!
Do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Up on my ladies, up to my ladies. Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me in already. Me in already.
That wasn't as big as I thought it would be.
So we're back home now. We weren't gone for too long, but my hair is gross from wearing the hat the whole time, and I need to shower really bad. I literally got sand everywhere. I don't know if you can see my arms, but yeah, I need to get cleaned right now. Guys, I'm trying to suss right now. I think I've got sand. I shouldn't be laughing, but I think I got sand in my lens, which isn't great, but I can't like tell. I'm trying to see. Look at my lips. My whole lip colour's come off. I look terrible. I really shouldn't be filming myself right now. I'm trying to... It looks like I've got sand in my lens. Yeah, but when I look in the viewfinder, it doesn't look like there's any sand stuck in there. But when I look at my lens, it looks like there's sand stuck in there, so... Whoops. Hey guys, so I'm currently in a hurry to get ready right now. I'm gonna go car shopping. I'm just waiting for my curler to heat up. We were meant to leave at 12 and also my parents wanted to leave at 11, and I'm like rushing to get ready now, and ignore all the clothes on my bed that I have to put away. But yes, basically I'm gonna go car shopping. The other day we went to the beach. We ended up, my family again made last minute plans to go to the casino, so I had to rush getting ready for that, and I'll insert the clips here from whatever I got off that night. I honestly just completely forgot to vlog until the end, and now I'm basically just getting ready to go car shopping because I'm 25, still have no car because I cannot save to save my life. Also, I was having like a pretty stressful like audition experience because they were having technical difficulties on their end, and I was like on the phone this morning trying to fix it all and finally got it resolved, so yay for that. But yeah, anyway, I gotta finish getting ready and I will see you guys later. Quick fit check before I go. Oh, I didn't put my bag on, but glasses, Prada, necklaces, Enric jewelry, top glassons, jean glassons. This is a pearl necklace that I cut to make it look like a belt, and jewelry is from a bunch of different places. If you want to know a certain one, just comment below and I'll let you know. But yeah, I'm vibing this fit, but I don't think I have enough time to find the shoes that I actually want to wear. But it doesn't really matter because I don't think I'm going to get any photos in this fit today anyway, so honestly it doesn't really matter. But it's a confidence boost when you vibe with your outfit, you know. But yeah. Hey guys, so I am back, and you can tell I have done a bit of crying because cars are just so expensive and I'm a broke. It's just annoying because I hate this mess in my background, I'm sorry, but yeah, the thing is, like, I can get a car, but if I get a car then I can't move to Sydney, and I need to move to Sydney because, you know, I'm trying to get into acting here. And Perth isn't necessarily the great place to be for that. And living in Sydney is just so expensive. But so like I can get a car, but as I said in my previous video, I would love to move to Sydney sometime next year because there's much more going on for acting over there, and that's kind of the place where you have to be in Australia if you want to be an actor. It's kind of a stepping stone to America in some way, but if I get a car, then I can't afford to live in Sydney because it's a very expensive city to live in. So that's why I have been crying. I love that for me. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go have some ice cream because it is so hot. It is like, I don't know, over 30 degrees. Also, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but it's Monday the 11th of December and it is 2:27. So, yay. Anyway, that's it for my emotional ass. So see you when I see you.
More flick. I said farewell. You took it well. Promise I won't cry.
Hey guys, so I only have 2 minutes left on my memory card. Well, I can just delete stuff, but anyway, today is the 14th of December. I think it's been a few days since I last spoke to you. I can't remember what I was even doing. Oh, I had just gotten back from car shopping, so no updates on the car yet. There's one more my parents want me to look at, which I don't know when we're gonna have the time to do that. But anyway, hopefully we'll do it as soon as possible because I really want to get a car before the year ends. And there is the one car that we need to look at. That one is on a deal at the moment. Anyway, today I couldn't vlog before heading out, but it's literally just 12:20 at the moment. But yeah, I couldn't vlog before going out because I was rushing. So what's new? But I was getting my headshots taken, so I'll show you guys the final products once I receive them. I probably won't get them till after Christmas, she said, which is totally fine because obviously it's the holiday season. The girl who was like taking my photos, the photographer, she was like amazing. It was such a great experience, and I'm really excited to see the photos. She was showing me some little ones like through the camera, but yeah, I'm really excited to get the final products, so I'll show you guys when I do. And yeah, so this girl is actually she's originally from Perth, but she moved to Sydney. Now she's like back in Perth for the holidays, and she was just doing like headshots for a couple of days, so I had to take the opportunity while she was here because her photos, like I went on her Instagram and her photos are amazing, and I've had a friend that has shot with her, and there's a bunch of people that I know of that have shot with her. So yeah, her photos looked amazing, and I had to take the opportunity while she was in Perth. So yeah, I'm really keen to get my photos back, and I will show you guys when I do. Okay guys, it is a little later now. It's literally like almost 4 o'clock, I think. Anyway, it is hot, and I'm going to show you something I'm really excited about. It is my favorite Black Friday purchase, at least from this year, but probably ever, because I love what I bought so much. I've been really wanting it for so long, so let me show you what it is. Look, I hope you know what this is just from the box itself, because like, oh my god. Okay, guys, look at the tissue paper as soon as you open the box. It's pink. Travis Scott shoes with pink tissue paper. I mean, what else can I thank God of, honestly? Oh my god. Look at these beautiful shoes. I've been wanting these for so long. Oh, here's the other shoe. Look at the logo. Look at that. Come on now. Like, I am obsessed. And here's the little Travis Scott logo. Oh my god, I am obsessed, you guys. I love this colorway so much, and I'm such a sneakerhead. If you didn't know that already, I love sneakers. And hold on, let me show you guys. It comes with like multiple laces, so you've got a white, a brown, and a red. And then it comes with the cream on the shoes as well, so you get like 4 shoelaces on here. So freaking sick. I am like obsessed with these shoes. Oh, I love them. Also, I did get these shoes from Goat, and I have a life hack which probably won't work for a lot of people, but if you are small like me, then you can just get the kids size for like so much cheaper. And the kids size was on sale for Black Friday from Goat. As I said, I got them for like more than half the price of the adult size, which is exciting, but that's the perk of being small. Anyway, I'm about to go head out to help my friend with a self-tape. I might change before I go though, because I'm gonna leave in like half an hour, and by then it's gonna be a bit later. Might be a bit cooler. So yeah, I'll see. But I'll show you guys before I leave. Okay, so I decided I'm not gonna change. I'm just gonna take a black cardigan in case I get cold a bit later, but it's still pretty hot and I feel comfortable in this, so yeah. Anyway, jeans from Glassons, and I love these jeans so much. But yeah, this basic fit. Also, I will be wearing these shoes, which I'm obsessed with. They're the Converse Virgil Abloh Off-White collab. I got these as soon as I got to Perth, and I can't believe I found them in my size. Like I've been looking for them for years, and I found them as soon as I got here. Like the first time I went to the city, there was this like sneaker store that like sells these like kind of cool shoes. Anyway, kind of cool with my fit, not gonna lie. Also, sorry if I'm talking quietly, my mum is like having a nap, so I don't want to be too loud because I'm a respectful daughter. Okay, so I'm in a hurry to head out now, hence the phone vlog right now. But yeah, I'm going to help my friend film another audition, going to the same place that I went to yesterday. We basically meet up at this like drama school, and I actually lost my cardigan yesterday, so I hope I can find it in the same room. Hopefully I just left it there, but I'm pretty sure I took it and I must have dropped it somewhere. But yeah, anyway, and then after that, at the same drama school, my cousin who completed a course there this year, there's going to be like a showcase showing like his work from the year and like other students from the course stuff, so I'm gonna watch that. So yeah, I'm excited for that. So yeah, bye.